Here we see a practical demonstration of the multifunctional agricultural robot. This video will walk us through its core capabilities, showcasing both its manual remote control and its pre-programmed autonomous modes. The robot can be controlled via a custom Wi-Fi application on a smartphone. The interface provides directional controls for movement, an emergency stop, and individual buttons to manually trigger each of the robot's specific tools and functions, such as watering, digging, seeding, and combing. First, the operator demonstrates the manual driving function, using the app's arrow keys to make the wheels turn forward and backward, showing precise remote control over the robot's movement. Next, the irrigation system. By pressing the soil moisture button on the app, a small water pump is activated, and we can see water being dispensed through the tubing. The video then shows the soil moisture sensor prongs that the robot uses to detect when watering is needed. Here, the digging function is tested. A command from the app engages a powerful linear actuator, which drives a drill-like tool downwards to create a hole in the ground for a seed. Now for the seeding process. A press of the seeding button activates a servo motor connected to a dispenser wheel. The wheel rotates by one slot, precisely dropping a single seed. The combing tool, which is used for ploughing and leveling the soil, is also controlled from the app. Here we see it being moved up and down by a servo motor, demonstrating its range of motion. The demonstration now moves to the robot's autonomous modes, which are controlled directly from the onboard keypad and LCD screen. The screen presents two choices: Mode A for digging and planting, and Mode B for general grass cutting and combing. The operator selects Mode A, and the screen confirms that the digging and planting cycle has started. The robot begins its automated sequence. Shortly after, the front-facing ultrasonic sensor detects an obstacle, and the screen immediately displays an obstacle detected message, safely stopping all systems. Next, Mode B is selected. This is a timed mode for maintenance tasks. The operator is prompted to choose a duration, 30, 60, or 90 seconds. After selecting 30 seconds, the robot begins executing the task, driving forward to simulate cutting grass or ploughing. To demonstrate the safety feature again, an obstacle is placed in the robot's path. The ultrasonic sensor instantly detects it, and the robot stops. The screen confirms obstacle detected, stopped for safety, and notes that the task was stopped early. This showcases the robot's ability to operate safely and react to its environment even in autonomous mode.